I have one question for you lah. Kau ni ada perasaan ke dengan anak sendiri? Kau tengok anak perempuan kau, dan kau rasa macam segan ke? Mak lah share kan, dia takkan bagi suami dia change diaper anak perempuan, things like that. So for me, I macam, I don't know lah, but I think you guys macam reflect lah. That's the thing. If you tak trust your husband, your partner,
why are you married with your husband in the first place?
Then adakah you nampak your husband ni macam ada ciri-ciri pedo ke? That's the thing. That's the thing. I know some mothers dia nak macam, okay lah, it's better be safe than sorry. But that's the thing lah. That's the thing. I think this one memang personal lah. You tengok lah your husband kan. But then kalau you nampak your husband ada ciri tu, then I think macam boleh try to think of something else kot. Antara some of my audience followers punya komen, diorang selalu cakap macam, because of this boundary, bila dia membesar, dia tak rasa rapat sangat dengan ayah dia. I think that's the thing, that macam maybe this boundary pun was set by the mother juga. Faham tak? Sebab you macam tak nak suami you involved sangat. Then in the end, anak you rasa tak abai oleh ayah dia. And then for the dad pula, I mean, let's say sebab I pun ada nampak some dad pun ada komen, dia cakap, dia pun memang macam tu, dia tak prefer untuk macam tukar macam ni kan. Then I have one question for you lah. Kau ni ada perasaan ke dengan anak sendiri? Faham tak?
Betul.
Like kau tengok anak perempuan kau, then kau rasa macam segan ke? I don't know.
Like why you nak risau sangat if
tak ada self control ke bro? Anak good.